Essential English, Unpacking the Grooming Kit. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's lesson on Essential English. In this video, we'll be exploring what a grooming kit is, and how the term is used in everyday English. Whether you're traveling, shopping, or just curious, understanding this phrase will definitely come in handy. So, let's dive in. Before we delve into what a grooming kit is, let's first break down the word grooming. Grooming refers to the activities someone does to keep themselves clean and neat. It involves tasks like shaving, combing hair, and trimming nails. Grooming is not just about appearance, it's also about maintaining personal hygiene. A grooming kit typically contains tools and products used for personal care. This can vary from a simple set with a few basics to a comprehensive collection. Common items include razors, scissors, nail clippers, combs, and brushes. For those who like to travel, a grooming kit is a must-have item to keep yourself groomed on the go. Grooming kits can come in different forms, depending on their intended use. There are kits for men, often focusing on shaving essentials, and kits for women, which might include hair care items. You can also find unisex kits or ones tailored for specific needs, like beard maintenance or skincare. Having a grooming kit is not just about looking good, it's a part of self-care. It helps you stay organized and ensures you have the necessary tools at hand, whether you're at home or traveling. A good grooming kit can make life easier and help maintain a clean and professional appearance. We hope this video has shed some light on what a grooming kit is and why it's a useful collection of items to have. Remember, grooming is a daily ritual for many, and having a kit makes it that much simpler. So, consider what you need in your personal kit to keep yourself looking and feeling great. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English language lesson.